Well, basically, in stoichiometry, we want to get to this point where we can do a mole-to-mole conversion. Well, the balanced chemical equation is going to have all the mole ratios. This is just some of them, not all of them. So we can relate any of these quantities in terms of moles. But the problem with that is we don't measure anything in moles. So, for example, 3.20 moles of NH3, how is that measured? We could, once we get moles, we can use the mole ratios to calculate it, but how do we get the moles? Same thing here, how do we get the moles of ethane? Well, for the most part, we can't really measure the moles directly, but we can measure it indirectly by either measuring how many grams we have, and doing a gram to mole conversion, or some other method of measurement like volume, etc. And so this is the most common way to get into the heart of the stoichiometry map, which is the mole-to-mole conversion. And that is, we go from grams of a given, grams of A, to moles of A. From moles of A, we can convert that to moles of B, and then from moles of B, we can go to mass of B. This is the typical stoichiometry calculation. You know, how many grams are produced, how many grams of B are produced, or how many grams of B are needed. Depends on if B is a reactant or a product. And so this bottom one is the map here. The bottom one of the map is the grams of A. It doesn't have to be a reactant. They're just using reactant in this particular example. But A could be a reactant or it could be a product. So grams of A to moles of A. From moles of A to moles of B to grams of B. It's standard. There are branches here. So for example, if we have moles of A, we can figure out how many particles of A we have. That is, if we have molecules, we can figure out the number of molecules. If we have formula units, we can figure out the number of formula units. So if we have moles, we can always do a mole to number conversion. That's using Avogadro's number. So Avogadro's number, can take us back and forth. The mole ratio in the equation take us back and forth. But from here, grams to moles, what relates grams to moles is molar mass. So we'll need molar mass to get from here to here, and from here to here. So let's take a look at a typical problem. How many milligrams of nickel 2 chloride are in a solution if 503 milligrams of silver chloride is precipitated in the reaction of silver nitrate and nickel 2 chloride solutions? And so let's go ahead and get the balanced chemical equation. That's the first thing we do. And so the reaction is between silver nitrate and nickel 2 chloride. So what's the formula for silver nitrate? AgNO3. Nickel 2 chloride? NiCl2. What type of reaction does this look like? Yeah.